All right, we are back to talk more about Robostrategy, which absolutely flew up here in the last 8 hours or so. It's up 14%. And the fund itself allows us as regular retail investors to privately invest in the future of robotics, the future of physical AI. And as I've talked about in previous videos, this is kind of where I believe the AI trade is heading. Of course, memory names, they're not going anywhere, but many of these have already done massive multiples. And I think the next big play is finding out where AI is going to change the world, how AI is going to change the world, which industries. And I think with robotics, I mean, it's going to revolutionize a number of industries, including, manufacturing, including just humanoid robots in households. Like, it is insane how early we are to the robo strategy story. And last month in July, they raised approximately 16 million through private shares issuance, including 10 million investment by the CEO Andrew Kang, who bought it right around like 27 bucks. A massive investment from the CEO. And we're basically gapping up to where we were at like 31 or 32. Actually got above the threshold. I thought we were going to shake loose here. We're coming down a little bit in the last 4 hours. If you look at like the hourly, you could still see a really nice staircase up though. This is where we kind of got stopped out before. Again, still here like just Friday, where we gapped up to these levels around 31, came back down to 27. It seems to me right around this $26, $27 range. If you can get it down here at 25 and some change, this seems like a really good spot. It has been kind of slowly ticking up since the big retrace in July when the AI, trade kind of unwind. We went from 37 all the way down to 24 bucks. But if you zoom out back onto the daily, you can see here this is a really nice setup. If we continue to break out of this range, if we can finally get past this $31 pesky level, we're looking up at 36, 37, then upwards to like 42 bucks. This thing did fly almost to $50 back in early June, and the fund is still very, very new. Just came to the market in May, and I think it has a tremendous opportunity. And again, so the new fund basically offers a very, very rare chance to invest in private AI robotics leaders like Figure AI, which is one of the top holdings in here. And it's all before these companies IPO and go public. But its stock trades at a huge premium to its assets, creating a critical risk. Just got to say that could wipe out unsuspecting shareholders. And so there's always a risk, right? And I want to lay it out there for you guys, but I'm willing to take that risk. I've opened up a position. You guys can see where I'm at. My average cost is 27.88. I'm, slowly but surely adding to my position here. I want to continue building this out. I do think we can eventually come back down. I'd like to pick some up at like 21, 22, ideally, if we can get way back down into here. But I really don't care because we're still so early. I'm going to continue to accumulate. It's just one of those assets that I'm going to, continue to dollar cost average in. And we've talked about AI a bunch here on this channel. This is a new stocks channel we just created. Make sure you guys do subscribe. We're going to be uncovering a lot of different stones on this channel. And yeah, we're going to help you guys make money with this big AI build out. We've done it for the last, few years. And I figured, you know what? Instead of me just talking on my other YouTube channel, which I grew over 200,000, let me start a new one and talk about all the emerging technology and things that are happening around, you know, with SpaceX and space and AI and robotics and drone technology and all of these new burgeoning, sectors that we can invest in and take full advantage of. So, Robo Strategy, it's a play that I really, really like, guys. I also am getting into Robinhood Ventures Fund. I requested some shares. This is also going to be something that launches 2 days from now. And they too are going to get you access to private companies as well. There's like 80 some odd names in here, 81 holdings. Inception date is going to be on Thursday, August 13th. Right now, you could still request shares. I'm requesting 200 shares at the moment, but I might even lift that up a little bit. So that's kind of where I'm at right now on the private company side of things. I wanted to make a little update for you guys. More videos coming. Make sure you like the video, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.